Okay, very good morning to all. So today we are going to continue from the previous topic, that is solution of quadratic equation by, so you don't need to write the solution of so I just write the quadratic equation as QA, okay, by factorization method. This method is a factorization method, okay. So in previous video we have discussed about the finding out the solution or roots or zeros by factorization method. In that case, the quadratic equations are very simple. There are no roots, right? So there are here we have irrational numbers. In previous video we don't have the irrational numbers, just rational numbers and easy quadratic equation. So today we are dealing with these kinds of the factorization, this kinds of quadratic equation, and we will find out the roots of the quadratic equation. So the first question is here, find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Now the first question is root 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 root 2. Okay, so here in this, mostly the steps are the same, but we need to see the irrational numbers. Okay, how we can multiply those irrational numbers, and how we can get the factors of the irrational numbers. So first step is you have to multiply the coefficient of x and the constant term. So after multiplying 2 into 5 root 2, we will get root 2 into root 2. That is, there will be a multiplication sign. Okay, 2 root 2, we will get 2 root 2 root 2 2, right? 2 into 5, that is 10. So we got 10 by the product of root 2 and the 5 root 2. So we have to present this in the form of 5 to the 10. After adding, after multiplying, I should get a 10, and after adding that I should get 7. So here we can see in the middle term we can split 7x into 5 plus 2. Okay, so we'll just write the answer. Root 2x squared, instead of 7x we can split the middle term. So factorization, another name for the method factorization is also called the middle terms, splitting of the middle terms. Okay, 5x. Okay, so here I will just write 2x first, because we can take out the common, right? Root 2 and 2, we can take out the common. If I write the 5, there is no common between root 2 and 5, so we can write 2 plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2. Okay, so after taking out the common, what I will get? Root 2 and 2, I will take root 2x. Okay, both terms contain an x, so x will be thrown out. Root 2x x square, right? Root 2 and 2x square khali rahe. Root 2 khajui ki 2 li rahe. Root 2 2 li rahe. Likewise here I can take common as a 5 and x plus root 2. So drawing out the x plus root 2, here we are using the distributive property. Here the terms are distributed, and now we are just combining together. So yes, one thing is we should write equal to 0. So x plus root 2 is equal to 0, and likewise root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 2 and root 2x equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. So the roots are minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2. So the roots are in an irrational form. Okay. Now we can go to the next question. So mostly the steps are the same as the previous simple equation. Now here, what you will do, the first step is you just have to multiply this thing. 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3, I'll get 3, right? 3 into 3, that is 9. So after multiplying the coefficient of x square and the constant term, I got 9. So I should present it like, if I add the two numbers, I should get 10x, okay? Here the sign is plus, so I have to add two numbers in order to get a 10x. So what are the factors of 9? 9 ones are 9, right? 3 threes are 9. 3 threes, if I write 3 into 3, then I will not get 9. Okay, if I add 3 plus 3, I will get 6. So here if there is 6, I can write this 3 plus 3. So by looking at by looking at this real term carefully, we have to take it 9 into 1, that is 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 into 1 is, if I multiply these two factors, I should get 9, and if I add the 9 plus 1, I should get 10. Okay, so we'll split the middle term. First, px, don't forget to write px is equal to 0. Now px will be polynomial of this is 3 root 3x square plus 10x plus root 3 is equal to 0, and 3 root 3x square plus 9x plus 1x plus root 3 is equal to 0. So what I have to take, these two and these two, I have to take which as a common number. 3, okay, I should take 3 root 3, right? 3 root 3 x, because both contains an x. Okay, so what I will get? X. Okay, 3 root 3 x times x is equal to 3 root 3 x square plus, in order to get 9, what I should write here? I should write root 3, because 3 root 3 into 3, root 3 raw, 3 into root 3 into root 3 raw, I will get 9, right? 9 dila also sula x is x gingyam 2 into shina 9x raswa. So this is complete. Now what about this one? Is there any common number? There is no common number, so we'll take 1 as a common number, because 1 is a factor of every number, right? So x plus root 3 will be the, here x plus root 3 and here x plus root 3. So I can draw out x plus root 3 and 3 root 3 x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus root 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus root 3. Likewise, 3 root 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3 root 3x is equal to plus 1. If I carry that side, then it will be minus 1 and upon 3 root 3. So the roots are, therefore, the roots are minus root 3 and 1 upon 3 root 3 minus. So this is the way of finding out the roots of the irrational quadratic equations. Just this little bit complex from this as previous slide, previous video. So likewise we can do these things, and we can do the 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the work you have to do it. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the next video I'm going to we can go to the next topic, that is solution of a quadratic equation by our next method, that is by quadratic formula. By putting out the formula we can easily find out the roots. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.